About this item: GET better Wi-Fi, same product, new look and brand. Create 2.5 Gbps Ethernet over Coax connection between your access point and your router by connecting one MoCA adapter to your router and one to your Wi-Fi access point or extender in another room. Power adapter, input 100-240V at 0.6 A. Output 5 VDC at 2.0. A better gaming, better streaming, increase speed and bandwidth of your network for pristine 4K and HD video, online gaming, working from home, and other demanding applications. Our products are carrier grade. Use existing Coax wiring to create an Ethernet network to achieve a fast, reliable Ethernet connection between a router and any device with an Ethernet port. MoCA 2.5 technology outperforms wireless for speed, latency, reliability, and security. Increase speed and coverage of Wi-Fi network, with the reliability of a wired network. MoCA 2.5 technology upgrades your network for latency, reliability, and more. MoCA adapters use the same coaxial cables as your cable TV or fiber optic service. Advanced security and easy setup, with new MoCA protected setup, MPS, technology. Get additional security on your home network, allowing for secure connection of additional adapters. Reconfiguring your router with the adapter is not required. MoCA capability. Router needs built-in MoCA capabilities or provided to the router by an added MoCA adapter. Most routers and modems/routers need a MoCA adapter. A MoCA adapter is needed for each device connecting back to the router using MoCA. Compatibility. Compatible with any Ethernet router and virtually any device with an Ethernet port, including computers, Xbox 360, PS3, streaming media devices, digital audio streamers and more. See below for non-compatible devices.